Hi everybody, this is Darshika and today I will be explaining y'all which yarn and which hook size we should use as a beginner crocheter. So over here I have taken the 4mm. So this hook has ergonomic handle which helps to crochet better, and the yarn which I have used over here is white color medium weight 4 yarn, and it is an acrylic yarn. So as a beginner we should use acrylic yarn, a little thicker yarn like this, so that it is easier for us to understand and see the stitches clearly. So now we are making a slip knot. So this is a slip knot which we have made and now we will pull the working yarn and insert the hook inside the loop which we have, or knot which we have formed, and pull the thread of the working yarn so that the yarn is completely properly on the hook. Now let's start. So now we will hold the hook as if we are holding a knife, and we will start making chain stitches. So we'll yarn over and pull out the needle and yarn from the slip knot. Again yarn over and pull out the needle and the yarn from the knot. So this way we will keep on making the chain stitches. So as you can see over here, that as this is lighter color, the stitches are visible very clearly, and as it is thicker yarn, it will be easier for the beginner to learn crochet. So we'll keep on making few chain stitches, and the yarn over here which we have taken is acrylic yarn, so that is best to start with as a beginner. We'll continue making the chain stitches. And why we have used this lighter color yarn and this thick yarn, we will do it in the upcoming video, as I've divided this tutorial in 3 parts. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. So here we have done the chain stitches. As you can see, the chain stitches are clearly visible and are equal in size, because we have kept the tension of the yarn similar. And now we are opening all the chain stitches, and we can see that there are no markings of the chain stitch on the yarn. Thank you for watching my content and liking it. I will upload the other part of this video over the next couple of days.